Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports interior and exterior avant-garde package. 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior with an aluminum trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, we've got memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got our media display, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C300 4MATIC has 68,638 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.